Alright, so you've received your uvex aXess 1 active electronic earmuff. In today's how-to video, we're going to unbox this product, take a look at its features and how to operate it. Alright, so just taking a look at the box, it's important that we take note of all the relevant standards and information. It does pertain the different protection factors and attenuations. This is an SNR 31 decibel rated product, and as we go inside, open up the box. Alright, so firstly it's important to make sure that everything is here. So you'll find the unit. Further to that, it will come with two cables. You've got your 3.5 auxiliary cable. You've got your USB-C charging cable. You should also find 3 microphone covers. These are to improve both the audio quality as well as to protect the microphones from the environment. And you'll see some paperwork, that being your instruction guide as well as your quick start guide. This is going to be a very useful document as we learn about the product and how to operate it. Just taking a look at the unit, you'll notice there are 3 microphones, 2 that record the ambient noise around you and feed it back through the unit, as well as a dedicated voice microphone for your communication. You'll also notice that there's an auxiliary input should you connect to a radio or any other audio device that uses auxiliary cable, as well as a USB-C charging jack. The good thing about USB-C is it allows for fast charging, and just 2.5 hours charge time will allow for 50 hours operational time. Looking at the microphone, it does come with these microphone covers with a simple adhesive placed on top of the microphone. It does fold up nice and compact so that it can be easily transported and carried around to your work shift. The device can be used as a standalone protective earmuff, but now that it is fully charged, let's power it up. And in order to do so, one would press and hold the round button for 5 seconds. This will both switch on the device as well as automatically put it into Bluetooth pairing mode. Whilst the aXess 1 is in pairing mode, on your device, go to its settings and locate the aXess 1. Select it to connect. Connected. Once successfully connected, the smart audio assistant will tell you the device has been connected. To answer an incoming call, press the round button once. To adjust the volume, press the up arrow or down arrow as required. To end the call, press the round button once. With RAL, Real Active Listening, experience your environment like you're not even wearing protection. 2 surround microphones feed clear ambient audio into the headset, controlled by the integrated sound level limiter, protecting you from impulse sounds. This allows you to hear warning signals and stay aware, all while staying safe and freeing up your hands to be productive. A 3rd voice microphone ensures optimal speech audio for crystal clear communication with colleagues. The volume of the ambient noise and communication audio can be independently adjusted to just how you like it. To activate Real Active Listening, press and hold both the down arrow and the round button simultaneously and hold for 3 seconds. This will activate Real Active Listening. To now adjust the volume of your ambient noise around you, you will press the round and the up volume or round and down volume as needed. To deactivate and switch off the Real Active Listening feature, press and hold the down arrow and the center round button and hold for 3 seconds. For those working mundane and monotonous tasks, the unit does allow you to stream audio through it so that you can get through a day with higher job satisfaction. In order to operate, connect via Bluetooth as previously shown, and then whilst streaming your music, you will press the middle button to play or pause, press the up and down arrows to adjust the volume, or press and hold for 2 seconds the up and down arrow to toggle forward and previous track. Another way to connect the aXess One is to any device that utilizes an auxiliary input. Simply take the cable provided and insert it into the auxiliary jack at the bottom of the earmuff. Replacement components are available on request, such as hygiene kits with extra soft foam ear cushions that can be replaced as they get damaged, as well as an earmuff storage bag to protect the unit. The uvex aXess One is also available in a helmet earmuff version. It can be purchased with the uvex Fios helmet or as a set to be used with other compatible helmets.